Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis. Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we're taking a look at Cardano coin. Now before going to the smaller time frames, taking once again a look on the daily time frame, the game plan hasn't changed a bit. So we had this good breakout from the EMAs similar to these ones. Then we had a retest, one more movement to the upper zones. And since then, basically, price has shown some sort of like buy side dominance in those candle ways here. You can see this one, for example. But overall, price still struggles to secure like a new breakout structure for the price action, which would again then confirm for us additional movement or a further movement to the upper zones. So overall, if we would take a look or take a trade just from current market price, stop loss would be once again slightly below the EMAs. Target would be at least, let's make this zone here, so $2.35, which is this like liquidity area here. Also, like this zone, for example, 1.63 would be some partial profit zone for us. But overall, we are aiming to see at least 150, 184% of market price movement, and risk reward ratio is more than good in this case. So that being said, going to the 4-hour time frame for a quick overview of the situation right now. Can't say really much. What I'm seeing is we had this breakdown momentum, the trend switch on the 4-hour time frame on the EMAs, then a fake out formed here, and most probably we are going to see a similar movement here, so maybe something like this, so like that. And once price secures once again the EMAs, we are going to see, I think we have similar CME gap here. Oh, actually CME gap has been filled on this one, but nevertheless still will be looking for some sort of upside movement. Now on the 4-hour time frame, as mentioned already, going to look for the buyers to secure once again the EMAs zone, so 200 and 100. And once we see, then of course, let's actually make it from here and like that. Going to showcase an approximate buy area for us in this case. So if price would see a similar movement just like we had here, then again, this seems like a decent break structure area. Then this would be also our like buy entry. And target, first of all, would be this liquidity area, and then of course a larger target would be somewhere in this area here, so like $1.17. So that being said, there's nothing much more to say. Won't go to the like smaller time frames, to like 5 minutes or 30 minutes. There is no point. We're entering into the weekends market and not big fan of the weekend market. But overall, still bullish on the Cardano coin, still seeing good momentum to take place here, and pretty bullish up until we are, as mentioned, like $2.4 was somewhere in this region. So on the 4-hour time frame, wait for the break structure. Once you get the break structure, enter into a long position, adjust the, going to showcase fastly as well. So we had something like this, like this, like this. So this was the break structure area, and this would have been the stop loss zone for us, slightly lower. Just look for the Bollinger Band's lower side and adjust your stop loss based on this. That's how we actually do it. So that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Pretty quick one, pretty late one as well. But as always, thank you for watching this video, and see you on the next one.